Good morning. Oh, his boyfriend's out there. Good morning, little tub of love. I'll be right there, okay? See, the blueberries are empty, so it's very upset. So today, I posted a story and I asked if I should go out exploring or if I should spring clean. And as of right now, it is 75% spring clean to 25% go out and explore, which is necessary. It is windy outside. It is still kind of cold despite it being almost the end of March. So it is the right choice. Am I excited about it? No. I just wanted y'all to justify my decision to go like pick tulips or some shit. I need to do the dishes. I think that's one of your favorite things anyways. Gonna reorganize the fridge a little bit because I went grocery shopping yesterday. Definitely need to clean the patio. Your girl needs an everything shower. I had a beautiful facial the other day, so my skin is really clear right now. I gotta keep her that way. Again, very grateful for the people that chose to select spring cleaning because that is what your girl actually needs to do. All right, I have stalled enough. It is time to get to cleaning. All right, so this is the current state of affairs. I'm gonna do the patio later because, you know, just like Morgan Wallen, I had some help. I didn't make this mess up all by myself, but yeah, we gotta clean up all this bird shit because the finches have been, I don't know, finching. This is kind of my like bird area, outdoor area. We're not springing yet, so I can't plant anything. So we're whatever. We're just kind of in a stalemate here. Living room looks pretty messy, so that'll be a pretty quick little thing. We'll freshen up the office area, and then dishes and all that stuff are must. I normally have a strong close. Y'all know me, but I couldn't last night. Fridge too. She's kind of, I mean, how much sour cream does a baby need? But the answer is a lot, actually. Other than that, the house, well, I'm not gonna lie. The house is like, it's like surface messy, which is more than I care to live. Closet's not too bad, to be honest. So just gotta hang up some things. We'll do some laundry, clean this up. I call this my cleaning crew neck because it's got all these coffee stains on it, but I'm never gonna throw it away because it's one of my favorite crew necks. So yeah, you wanna clean up while you're out there? Thank you so much. Okay, bye, great job. Anywho, let's get to it. To go out for a little bit, I'm just gonna start around the laundry. This is the real Nashville, just so we're clear. It is a gray, it is annoying, it is consistently filling up potholes. Disgusting. Which is more than I can say for those two guys that were fighting in the street. All right, I'll insert some clips. It was crazy. I'm still digesting that. Oh, there are people fighting, like fighting. What's going on? I'm not really sure what's going on. Yeah, so I've got my Waldos, my Chippies, as well as these that I've seen on SydneyBuheller's channel are sausages, and I got the chicken and apple. I'm gonna try these. I like the chicken and sage. I've really gotten into sage, not just burning it, but eating it. And some yerba mates. These were pretty expensive there, so I'll probably keep buying them at Target. So I'm gonna settle in, eat my sandwich. Here's my beautiful sandwich. Like I said, it is some rotisserie chicken with an Alabama white sauce, so we love her. And then some potato wedges. I'm gonna scoop some sour cream out to eat with these because they're like basically whole potatoes. And then my sweet tea, which hopefully melts soon. Oh my god, we have a Samantha Joe vlog.
It is the last week of March, guys. Can you believe it? We made it. We're still going through it, but getting through it, and that's all that matters. Now, the last week of March for most people brings spring break. So maybe you're going on a vacation, maybe you're having a little staycation, maybe a boys trip, a girls trip, a solo trip, a family trip, whatever trip you guys are going on. I hope you're safe. I hope that you have some amazing adventures and make some great memories. Take a lot of pictures. Tag me. I love people's vacation pictures. I am actually heading out to Vegas with the fam. And one of my favorite movies about Vegas, and I know a lot of people are gonna say The Hangover. Absolutely not. One of my favorite Vegas movies is National Lampoon's Vegas Vacation. It is absolutely hilarious, mid-90s. Chevy Chase, Beverly D'Angelo, Ethan Embry, Wayne Newton, Siegfried and Roy. I mean, there's so many cameos. Wallace Shawn in this movie. And it's just one of those really fun, zany, wacky, comedies from the mid-90s. It is very dated when you watch it, though, because the strip where it's filmed, they stay at the Mirage, has changed so much in the last 25, 30 years, however old this movie is. We don't talk about that. But it's really fun to look at it and see all of the things that, used to be there. In fact, they stay at the Mirage. The Mirage has changed hands, 3 times since this movie came out. So it was part of MGM Properties. Now it's the new Hard Rock Hotel on the Strip. And it's funny because Rusty and I actually have a connection with Hard Rock. That's where we met. We worked together as servers. So it's another reason why I like making all those connections. I like thinking about it. And I love watching movies like this because it just brings up a lot of really great memories of trips that I've taken there and, the connections to the people that mean so much in my life. So if you've never seen this movie, it's basically the Griswolds go on a vacation. The kids are too young to really do anything in Vegas. So Audrey ends up hanging out with her crazy pole dancing stripper cousin. And Rusty ends up making a bunch of friends in the casinos and wins really, really big. Ends up with an entourage. And Clark and Ellen are basically on a second honeymoon. They're there to renew their vows. But Ellen gets in with Wayne Newton, catches his eye. He sends her a dress and tickets to the show and, invites her out to his mansion compound thing, Shenandoah. It's so silly and so wacky and slapsticky. Cousin Eddie shows up and goes with everybody to the Hoover Dam where even more hilarity ensues. And it's, borderline fantasy considering all of the crazy stuff that happens. But hey, I've had some pretty crazy Vegas trips myself. So who's to say that this isn't, sprung from somebody's experience at some point or several experiences compounded. It is a very funny movie. It's, like I said, very wacky and out there. So not to be taken seriously. Some of the jokes are kind of dated, but I don't remember any part of it really being problematic. So if you haven't seen it, it's a good one to watch, just for a good laugh and, you know, to kind of see the things that we thought were funny back in the 90s. It's a little bit different than it is today. And if you have seen it, revisit it. It's super fun. And I think you'll remember a lot of really great memories from vacations with your family, trips with your friends. You definitely want to make sure that, you know, you get all that stuff back in your head. We talked about nostalgia last week. Let's keep it going until the end of this month. Guys, take care of yourselves. Have a great rest of your March. Drink your water, take your meds, and we'll see you next time.
Just a reminder that no matter what your spring break looks like, whether it's cleaning or Cancun, it is your season of change. I look forward to watching you all bloom, and we hope to see y'all next week. Angles. One can only hope this doesn't work. I'm coming to get you.